What if I told you that you can make the creamiest, most flavorful coffee ice cream at home without an ice cream machine? Imagine a rich, velvety texture infused with deep coffee flavor, pure heaven for coffee lovers. Stick around because this recipe is incredibly easy. And the result? Absolutely irresistible. All right, let's dive in. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee or espresso powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. First, dissolve the instant coffee in a tablespoon of hot water. This intensifies the flavor and blends smoothly into the mixture. Now, in a mixing bowl, whip the heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. This is what gives your ice cream that light and airy texture. Next, gently fold in the condensed milk, followed by the dissolved coffee, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. The condensed milk adds sweetness and keeps the ice cream smooth without freezing rock hard. Once it's fully mixed, transfer the mixture to a container, cover it, and freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. The result? A creamy, rich coffee ice cream that's bursting with bold flavor. And that's it. No fancy machines, no complicated steps, just pure coffee bliss in every bite. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. If you love coffee-based treats, you won't want to miss my previous video on how to make a caramel macchiato at home, better than Starbucks. It's the perfect pairing for this ice cream. Click here to watch.